Perfecta lifestyle versus ITO. Section 2, subsection 22, class E, deemed dividend. Not a shareholder of the company which has advanced to loan to assessee, loan cannot be treated as deemed dividend. Assessee was not the shareholder. One of the partners in the assessee was a shareholder in the company. That advanced loan to the assessee and addition cannot be made as a deemed dividend. So the company gave dividend to a person. That person is a partner with the shareholder of that company. Now, ITO decided that the income is an indirect influence and that should be deemed dividend of that party. But as per the order, such income can't be considered as deemed income, deemed dividend, can't be deemed income, deemed dividend, it can't be considered. Cool.